This video will explain the direct probability solution to question 11 of the tutorial. You can access the solution to different parts of this question through the video description below. The first thing to do for this question is to organize the information presented, and one way of doing this is in the form of a table. Two people are chosen at random from the gathering. In this video, we will calculate the required probabilities by directly multiplying the probabilities of choosing each person from the gathering. First off, to show that the probability that both persons have the name Lee is 10/21. Let's denote the event that both persons have the name Lee by A. You can draw the tree diagram for the choosing of the two individuals with Lee and Chan as the branches. For the first pick, there are 25 people out of 36 with the name Lee, so the probability is 25/36. After that, we're left with 24 people out of 35 with the name Lee. Therefore, we multiply by 24/35 to obtain the required answer. For part B, we need to find the probability that the two are married to each other. Let's denote the event that both persons are married to each other by B. We can use a partial tree diagram to visualize the selection. Since there are 22 married people out of the 36, the probability for the first person is 22/36. After picking the first person, we will only have one possible choice out of the remaining 35. Do you know why? Yes, because there is only one person in the group who is married to the first person you picked. Therefore, we multiply the two probabilities to obtain the answer 11/630. Part C requires a conditional probability, the probability that they both have the name Lee, given that they are married to each other. Using the previous notation, we are looking for probability A given B, and this is the formula for the conditional probability. The conditioned event is married to each other, and we have already found its probability in part B. The event in the numerator, A intersection B, represents the event that the two persons are a married couple with the name Lee. Once again, using the tree diagram to guide us, we see that the probability that the first pick is a married person named Lee is 16/36. There is only one choice for the second person, the spouse of the first person, so we multiply 1/35 to obtain the probability of A intersection B. Finally, we apply the formula for conditional probability to obtain the answer 8/11. In part D, we are to find the probability that the two are a man and a woman of the same name. We shall denote this event by C, and reorganize the table by grouping the man and woman together. In general, we have 4 cases to consider. In the first 2 cases, the man gets chosen first. Case 1, male Lee followed by female Lee. Case 2, male Chan followed by female Chan. Can you work out what the next 2 cases should be? The next 2 cases are similar to the first 2, except this time a woman gets picked first. Finally, we add all these probabilities up to get the answer 31/105. In part E, we are asked to find the conditional probability that they are married to each other, given that they are a man and woman with the same name. Using the previous notation, we are looking for probability B given C, and this is the formula for the conditional probability. The conditioned event is man and woman with the same name, and we have already found its probability in part D. Let's make sense of the event in the numerator B intersection C. It represents the event that the two persons are a man and a woman who are married to each other and has the same name. If the two persons are married to each other, they automatically have the same name. Therefore, this event is equivalent to B, the event married to each other. We have also calculated the probability of B previously, so we can re-express the formula as probability B divided by probability C, and use the previous part's answers to arrive at 11/186.